Cheapest countries to study abroad in 2025. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you dreaming of studying abroad but concerned about the costs? In 2025, several countries offer high-quality education at affordable prices, making your dream more attainable than ever. Let's explore the top destinations where you can pursue your studies without breaking the bank. Number 1. Germany. World-class education with minimal tuition fees. Germany stands out as a top destination for international students seeking quality education without hefty tuition fees. Public universities in Germany offer free education to international students, requiring only a nominal administrative fee of around $200,500 per semester. With prestigious institutions like Ludwig Maximilian University and the University of Heidelberg, students can access top-tier education at minimal costs. Estimated costs, tuition fees, 0 public universities. Living expenses, $850 to $1,200 per month. Germany's emphasis on research and innovation, combined with its rich cultural heritage, makes it an attractive option for students worldwide. Number 2. Norway. Free education for all. Norway offers free education at public universities to all students, regardless of nationality. While the cost of living is relatively high, the absence of tuition fees can offset these expenses. Norwegian universities are renowned for their research programs and modern facilities. Estimated costs, tuition fees, 0 public universities. Living expenses, $12 million to $1,000 per month. Studying in Norway provides an opportunity to experience stunning natural landscapes and a high standard of living. Number 3. Poland. Affordable European education. Poland has become a popular destination for international students due to its low tuition fees and high-quality education. The country offers a range of programs in fields such as business, engineering, and computer science. Tuition fees for international students in Poland can range from $1,000 to $5,000 per year, depending on the institution and program. Poland has a well-developed education system, with many universities offering English language programs. The country is also home to several international universities, including the University of Warsaw and the Jagiellonian University. Number 4. Hungary. Quality education at low costs. Hungary is another affordable option for international students, with tuition fees ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 per year. Hungary has a strong focus on science and technology, with many universities offering programs in fields such as engineering and computer science. The country is also home to several international universities, including the Edzlornd University and the Budapest University of Technology and Economics. Number 5. Czech Republic. Central Europe's academic gem. The Czech Republic offers quality education at reasonable costs, particularly in fields like engineering and business. Tuition fees typically range from $1,000 to $15,000 per academic year, depending on the program and university. The cost of living is also affordable, with monthly expenses averaging between $350 to $750. The Czech Republic provides an attractive academic and cultural environment for students worldwide. Number 6. Mexico. Affordable education in Latin America. Mexico offers high-quality education at a fraction of the cost compared to Western countries. Many universities have affordable tuition fees, and the cost of living is lower than in the US and Europe. Cities like Mexico City and Guadalajara are popular among international students. Number 7. Taiwan. Budget-friendly education in Asia. Taiwan is a great choice for students looking for affordable education in Asia. The country is known for its excellent universities, such as National Taiwan University, which offers programs in English. Tuition fees are lower than in many other Asian countries. Number 8. Malaysia. Affordable education in Southeast Asia. Malaysia offers an affordable education system, combined with a vibrant international student community. Known for its focus on disciplines like business, IT, and medicine. Malaysia provides both affordability and academic excellence. Tuition fees for undergraduate programs in public universities range from $2,750 to $4,950 annually, while living expenses are also reasonable. Number 9. France subsidized tuition in a cultural hub. France is a top choice for students interested in arts, humanities, and business. Its subsidized tuition rates make it one of the most affordable destinations in Europe. Tuition fees for undergraduate programs range from $2,600 to $3,100 annually, with living costs varying depending on the city. Number 10. India quality education at low costs. India's educational institutions are globally recognized for their affordability and quality, particularly in engineering, business, and medicine. Cities like New Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad host numerous international students annually. Tuition fees range from $3,300 to $7,800 per year, with living expenses between $170 to $350 monthly. Studying abroad doesn't have to be a financial burden. With careful planning and research, you can find a country that offers quality education within your budget. Explore these options and take the first step towards an enriching academic journey. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button to stay updated.